So before we starting this session, this is a standard disclaimer. A registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL and certification from NASM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related document carefully before investing. So before we move on to the key news and our derivative data, so this is how US market and European market has and Asian market has performed. If you see here, S&P and Nasdaq has recorded fresh new all-time highs. However, Dow is slightly on the negative side. It was a holiday drunken session for US market as today they are celebrating Independence Day. And the European market has been on the positive side. Almost it gained around 1% each on the UK market as well as Germany and France. And Asian market, except Shanghai market, all the market has been on the positive side. So Gift Nifty is currently trading around 24,450 kind of level. So it's we might expect some positive opening for the Nifty as well. So coming to the key news, S&P and Nasdaq, it's a new record highs after they have released. There are a couple of economic data. One is federal meeting minutes, where officials are not so much confidence on the rate cuts. So that is one of the key reason. However, if you see the key economic data as global composite PMI, it's coming at 54.8, which was the estimate of 54.6. That is a positive data from US, as well as service data is around 55.3 with the estimation of 55.1. So positive news coming from the US, where economy is picking up. So we might see some rate cuts in the near future. And Bajaj Finance, coming to the domestic market, Bajaj Finance, they have given a business update where AUM is up around 31% and at 3.54 lakh crore, and deposit is up around 26%. So positive news from Bajaj Finance. And Bandhan Vedanta, where Vedanta has given aluminum production is up around 3% and zinc production is up around 1%. So that is a very good news from Vedanta. However, Bandhan Bank has disappointed, where loan and advances is up around only 0.7% quarter-on-quarter. However, year on year, there is a upside of 22%, and total deposit is down around 0.15. And on the year on year, 23% growth we have seen in Bandhan Bank. And Marico collaborated with the Kaya to bring back that personal care cosmetic products. And L&T Finance Retail has a disbursement of around 33%. One more business update from L&T Finance, where the disbursement is up around 33% at 14,830 crore. And Brigade Enterprises has a joint development agreement with the residential project spread across 8 acres in Bengaluru. And CelloWorld launches a QIP to raise up to 730 crore through via QIP. And derivative data, which suggests 25,000 and 24,000 maximum, 24,500 is the maximum call is placed, and Nifty's PCR is above 1, which is a positive sign. And if you see the Nifty chart, I will discuss it later. It's trading at all-time record highs, and maximum put is placed around 24,000 and 23,500 on the downside. So let's move on to the Nifty chart, where how the Nifty placement is on the chart. So technically, if you see here, this is a Nifty daily chart. After that breakout from upward sloping parallel channel, it has given a very good support around that level, and continuously from there, it's making a higher highs, higher lows price formation, and currently trending at nearly all-time high levels with no signs of any weakness so far on the Nifty 50. However, if you but as Nifty is rose 24,000 near all-time highs from the last couple of weeks, so better to avoid fresh buys at the index level for any stocks or indexes. Better to avoid. Better to wait for another slight small correction on the Nifty 50. So better to avoid fresh entry on the index side. So better to wait and watch. On the flip side, better to wait for another 150 kind of fall on the Nifty 50 to buy and make a fresh entry on the Nifty 50, where 24,000 to 200, 100 is a key level to watch on the downside, which has a key support level. So that is a key support level on the Nifty 50. So better to like at current juncture, it's almost is trading at all-time high levels. So it's almost around from 23,400 to 24,000. So almost 1,000 points of gain in within a span of 2 weeks. So better to wait and watch at current juncture. So thank you for joining this session. I would like to invite you all for today's evening session with the Mayuresh Joshi and team. Uh, and Thank you for joining this session. Thank you, and out.